everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right hand corner. Today's meal is one that I'm sharing the cooking with Chef William. He's joined us today to show us one of his recipes, and I'm really excited about it. From what I've seen, it looks really good here. We have ground beef and mashed potatoes and onions and lots of cheese, lots and lots and lots of cheese. So this is going to be a good meal. Why don't I start by cutting up the onion for you, and I'll let you get started on things.
No, can I scroll this down?
I'm going to go through the ingredients really fast while I'm doing this. We have mozzarella cheese. We have yellow mustard, some parsley flakes, 2 eggs, half a stick of butter. Instant mashed potatoes was 2 cups, so 2 cups of instant mash, 2 cups of hot water. I put it in the teapot, got it super duper hot, and poured it in there. Salt, pepper, and as an option we have paprika, but William says he doesn't use it in his, so why don't you just throw it over there on the top shelf. We have milk and 2 cups of corn flakes. So go ahead, William, all yours.
In a large mixing bowl, you're going to combine half of the cereal,
Do you want all of this onion or half?
the whole's fine.
Okay.
And let's see, this salt and pepper.
And William's going to be coming back for some more recipes because we were planning some more for next time. So keep an eye on our list.
And milk. Wait. Oh yeah, wait. I'll just put a little bit in milk in here.
Yeah, I think we use 1/3 of a cup. Barb's here. She's the floor manager. She's keeping us on track.
And mustard.
Thank goodness, or this train would get derailed and be off the tracks. As you can tell, we're not professionals. We're just 2 people cooking dinner for Barb.
And we're just going to mix this all together.
Yep. Eat it. And she's pretty tough on us. She's a pretty tough critic.
And then we add the ground beef.
She's spoiled because she had a good meal last night. Pork chops and pork tenderloin. We went out for dinner. Chopped okay?
Yes.
You need them smaller?
No, that's fine.
I have the oven preheating to 350. And when cornflake try to hop out. I was showing William I have this trick for your cutting board. You put a wet paper towel underneath your cutting board and then it doesn't move around on your island when you go to cut and do stuff.
Okay, next we're going to put this into the baking dish.
Oh, and the butter we're supposed to melt. So I have a coffee cup here and I'm going to throw this into the microwave. I'll try a minute and see how it melts because you don't want to brown the butter when you're cooking.
Then you add your mashed potatoes on top of the meat.
If you want, I can rinse that out for you. I don't know if you need me to or not before you do the milk.
I put the milk already in there. I just eyeballed it.
Alright. Yeah, a third of a cup is about a half an inch.
Yeah.
When it blows up, it's done. That's my rule of thumb.
Then we're gonna mix our eggs in.
Right here. That's fine. That was a good idea. There you go. I'll take that off your hands. You done the spoon? I'll leave it for you, just in case. Get the stuff out of your way. For my next show, I'd like to do a renovation project and shorten this wall up so I can get past it easy. You done with this?
Yes.
Okay. Here's your butter.
Okay.
And you got butter, you got mustard. You want to put that in here? And
Yeah.
you mix that all in here?
I'll just pour it on top.
Okay.
And
I'll take that if you want. Okay.
all the onions.
Okay, you got onions, you got mustard, and you have your seasoning yet. Here's your parsley.
And parsley.
Parsley's good.
Then we put this in the oven and later add the cheese.
So we add the cheese after it comes out, and then we put it back in again for about 10 minutes to melt the cheese.
Yeah.
Okay, well it's ready, so you go ahead, I'll open it up for you. We're getting long ways. Yeah, like that, please. And then I want to put this in here too. And then we need to set the timer for that
34 minutes.
for 35 minutes. And then we'll clean up and we'll be right back. Looks like we're down to our last 5 seconds. I'm going to take this out of the oven and bring it over here for us. Because I guess you say you have to put on your corn flakes and your cheese, huh?
Yes. And then it cooks for another 10 minutes.
All right. Here's a rack. I don't know that we need it with this material, but just in case. Look at that. Do we need to do anything here, do you think? And stir anything? Or you think we're just good, huh? All right, look at that. Some corn flakes. And you know, that's one of those things you can put on as much as you want, just because it says to put on 2 cups. You know, you look at it, if you decide you don't want to, you don't have to. Lots of cheese. So, put the amount of cheese on for you, and then put some cheese on for me, and then put some cheese on for your mother.
And we just put it in the oven for 10 minutes.
All right, here's our timer. I clear it. 10, start. Okay, here we go. You want to open it for me? Okay, we'll be right back. Well, William, we should be down here to our last few seconds. That thing's gonna beep and the cheese should be melted. We'll go ahead and take it out. Probably gonna have to let it sit for probably 10 minutes or so
Yeah.
after we pull it out of the oven. Probably not gonna wanna eat it right away.
Can't wait.
Yeah, it smells good, don't it?
Yes.
That's, that's kind of the thing with food is you can tell if it's done by the way it smells. It is almost done, William. Let's go ahead and you get the door, I'll get the gloves, pull it out of there for us. We'll hit the, looks like it's all done, I'll hit the cancel button.
Take them both out? Or...
Yeah, well, yeah. We'll do this one first. All right, Len. Here we go. Just leave the door open. All right, here you go, William. There's your creation. We'll have to give it a try and we'll leave a comment for what we think. It's gonna have to cool for a while, so that's our show. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right-hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also, more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.